Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can power on or power off the Apple Watch 8. So first let's press on the side button. So press and hold on the side button here, and then from here we can tap on the power button and then swipe across. This will allow you to turn off your Apple Watch. Now wait for a few seconds for the watch to shut down. When you want to switch back on, all you have to do is press and hold on the side button here. Press and hold, and then that will allow you to turn on or power on your Apple Watch 8. And that's it. That is how you can power it on or off. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.